Hello crypto fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share about LBank and here LBank with Crypto Yacht Club. We are going to show you about a new event. Yes, if you are for the first time, you can also come on the LBank official exchange link in video description I have given. We are going to start a complete deep dive there, research how it works actually. LBank is an exchange where you can start copy trading, bot trading, and decision making also. We are also going to show live. Here is the market analysis. When you are coming on it LBank, it's mean you are going to know all the crypto market data here in one place. And here is the decision making market in politics, in game, in weather, culture, and many other categories you can easily check out. Here is future copy trading. If you are beginner, you want to start your trading journey that could be helpful for you. So that's why there are 1350 plus elite traders who have experience and they will lead you to get financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Download the app, trade anytime, anywhere as a smooth experience in a transparent ecosystem where fabulous trading experience is waiting for you. Team is available from different social media links to 24/7 for you. The security is the only priority and all over the global level people join already. So here you can also get some bonus too. And I am also going to show you now about there is 200% for the first deposit bonus too. Like if you are for the first time and you are going to participate in this event that is going to end after 13 days, you can easily check out. Here is event time duration. For that you can also check what are the requirement. We have to create our account. It's mean we have to sign up our account and we can easily sign up with simply here is email you have to write. And I am also going to choose this one. That is simple. Like we have to put our email, our password, here is the referral code, and then we have to sign up. In this way we can create an account. After creating your account you can now here is also register yourself by clicking on it. And then we have to understand what are the tasks we are going to participate if you want to get entry into this one. Like first time, there is first future deposit amount that should be near to $200, $500, or $1,000. According to that, your future bonus will be this one. Even your trading volume and trading task will also be given on different ways, so you can check out all the variant. Next is the event tool, where you can see new user who are going to transfer the net amount from future account and this reach $5,000, they will get some extra reward. So only flat 50 user. So you can easily check when the registration started. Event is now started, so be ready to get entry into this platform because I have shown you how it works. Now I am coming to the future copy trading, so you can also check out the interface. That is like here, where you can also come on the LBank and start the elite traders, their PNL. There are information you can check out in different categories what they have made, their best progress you can easily check out. And then you can open any profile. Like here I have opened, there are number of followers, there are the number of joining, how much they have spent time, and there is a progress report. Further, you can also check out number of trade what they have take and what are the reward. You can check out if you want to copy, then you can also accept the terms and condition. Click on the confirm option here again, confirm it. And here is the next page where we are going to start our new journey. Like what should be minimum number, that is $10. This can also be customized according to the master trader. And next you are also going to choose here from sport balance or any other you can choose here. Advanced is TPSL, you can easily select, and then you can start copy journey. Even in the decision making journey, I am also with you to explain it for you. And here is different way. in different cultures actually. Like here, global news, there is geopolitics, there is the global election, there is award, economy, communities, and many other. You have a lot of option. So in if even in the music too, like who is going to be like Taylor Swift pregnant in 2025? Yes or no? You can also drop your decision. If you're right, then you can also get some more rewards. So in the sports section, there are different championship leagues. Who will be winner? You can easily check out. So in this way, you can start your new Epic journey with such platform that is going to offering you LBank in a secure ecosystem. You can see there are stock trading too, and if you come here in the sport trading, and you can easily check out here. I am coming to the market section. So be ready and get all the information here. If you have any question or query still now related to LBank, so you can explore it by yourself. So you should know about what we are talking about and how we can also be one of the community member. Thanks for watching.